Namaste Jerry. I am Shubhakumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women Institute, Jaipur. Today I deliver a lecture on this topic: chemical fertilizer classification, composition, and properties of major nitrogenous fertilizer. First of all, talk about what is nitrogen fertilizer. Elemental nitrogen, recognized by the Rutherford in 1772 as a colorless, odorless, and inert gas in the main constituent of the air, approximately F9% by the volume. Hence, one might naturally expect that the plant may not have any deficiency for the nutrient element and that there may be large deposit of the mineral compound of N on the surface of the earth. But actually, this is not 80. And though in the air on an acre of land, there is a nitrogen supply for over 35,000 tons. The plant, except the legumes, are incapable of utilizing this element, nitrogen, for their growth. Most important mineral deposits are the Child's saltpeter, sodium nitrate, Chilean nitrate, and the niter, potassium nitrate, or Bengal saltpeter. These are the important mineral deposits. What is source of nitrogen? Mineral deposits, addition through the rainwater, soil organic matter, nitrogen fixing organism. These are the sources of nitrogen. Mineral deposit, child saltpeter, sodium nitrate in the northern Chile, Peru, Bolivia, California, and the Nevada. Nitrate, potassium nitrate, Bengal saltpeter, present in the Spain, Egypt, Persia, and India, and USA, and the ammonium sulfate in various volcanic regions of the world. Addition through rainwater. A small amount of about 10 to 12 kg of nitrogen per year per acre is added to the soil during thunderstorm. In the process, discharge of atmospheric electricity produce nitrous oxide, and the rain carries this to the soil as HNO3, where it is quickly converted into nitrate. Soil organic matter. This is the main source of nitrogen in the soil, and the nitrogen content of any soil will depend upon the quality and quantity of the organic matter of that soil. Nitrogen fixing organism. The free living non-symbiotic example Azotobacter, Clostridium, and symbiotic example Rhizobium species are found to fix the considerable amount of the elemental nitrogen in a combined form. For the example, the non-symbiotic bacteria are found to fix 50 to 55 kg of nitrogen per year per acre, while the symbiotic organism fix about 300 to 350 kg nitrogen per year per acre. Some example of nitrogen name of fertilizer, nitrogen fertilizer: sodium nitrate, 16% nitrogen content; potassium nitrate, 12.5 to 13.5 nitrogen % content; ammonium sulfate, Amophos B, ammonium sulfate nitrate, urea, calcium cyanamide, dried blood, groundnut cake, meat meal, guano. These are the sources of nitrogen. How to manufacturing of the ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, and ammonium chloride and urea in an industry, in a factory. First of all, talk about the ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate NH4 to SO4 is a formula, is one of the important fertilizer produced in India. It contains about 21% nitrogen and 24% sulfur, and has been traditionally been very popular in various parts of the country. It is a white crystalline salt having good keeping quality in a dry condition. Production capacity. The total installed capacity in the country is about 1 million tons of the ammonium sulfate. Raw material sources. The raw material required to produce ammonium sulfate are S2H4, its recovery from the coke oven plant, ammonia, S2H4 for neutralization process, gypsum, and NH3 ammonia for process using gypsum's root. Method of manufacturing. The following methods are used for the producing ammonium sulfate: recovery from coke ovens, These are the first method. Second method, direct neutralization. These e-notes are given in the portal, your portal. Please read out. And gypsum process, third one process, and byproduct. In bioproduct, ammonium sulfate from caprolactam plants, ammonium sulfate solution is formed during the manufacture of the caprolactam, the starting material for the nylon 6. The solution is concentrated and the ammonium sulfate is recovered by the crystallization and centrifuging and drying. How to handling and storage of ammonium sulfate and how to packaging. Crystalline ammonium sulfate is a free flowing and does not normally pose any problem in a handling and the storage. However, it is generally contains some powder material which cause caking, especially under high humidity due to susceptibility to caking and a slight acidity. Is normally bagged in a polythene and lined gunny bags or high density polythene woven sacks. Properties: it is a white crystalline salt and to some extent hygroscopic. It has good storage quality. It is very soluble in water and so called as a quick acting fertilizer. It should not be used along with the alkaline material. It is a physiological acidic in nature. Second one, source of nitrogen, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, 26% nitrogen it content. This is sometimes called nitrate of ammonia. It is commonly prepared by the combining ammonium with the HCl. The resulted product, ammonium chloride, is found to have very good physical condition. Though this fertilizer has not been used extensively as a straight fertilizer, it is a preferred in the preparing many fertilizer mixture because of its good physical property. This fertilizer is also obtained as a bioproduct of solid process of making sodium carbonate. The commercial sample is a white crystalline salt containing 26% nitrogen in the ammonia form. The fertilizer is suitable for many crops except for those which are sensitive to high chlorine content. This is a physiological acidic fertilizer. How to manufacture in industry? Sodium chloride is treated with the ammonia, NaCl treated with the NH3 and carbon dioxide to form ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. The resulting ammonium chloride is then separated. And third one, ammonium nitrate. How to ammonium nitrate manufacture and their properties, handling and storage of ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate formula NH4 NO3, 33% nitrogen. This is mainly manufactured by the passing NH3 gas into HNO3 and then isolate the product in a solid form suitable for use as fertilizer. The equipment should be stainless steel or other special alloy. HNO3 reaction with the NH3 and also result ammonia nitrate is produced. Ammonium nitrate is continuously produced with the aid of the neutralization water. NH3 ammonia gas is introduced near the bottom of the tower, while air is added at a higher point to cool the solution and carry off the water vapor. The solution containing about 80% ammonium nitrate is withdrawn and converted to crystal or pellet, as the case may be. Pure ammonium nitrate is white crystalline salt having 33% nitrogen and one half of the which is in the ammonia form and other half in the nitrate form. It is readily soluble in the water, completely utilized by crop and hence no residue are left in the soil. Fourth one, how to manufacturing of urea in an industry. First of all, urea formula CONS2 twice 42 to 46% nitrogen content. How many percentage of nitrogen in urea? 46%. The main principle involved in the process of manufacturing is combining pure ammonia with pure CO2 and removing one molecule of H2O from the resulting ammonium carbonate to form urea. The CO2 and NH3 are allowed to react in the liquid phase under greatly elevated pressure, temperature, and this process requires highly specialized equipment. The CO2 and NH3 are compressed and heated as they enter the converter where urea is formed. A large excess of NH3 is used in order to increase the conversion rate. The unreacted NH3 CO2 are removed by the means of an evaporator stream and are the recycled. The urea solution is pumped to crystallizer where the cooling and crystallization take place. The urea crystals are centrifuged and dried. After dry of the crystallized, then the packaging, and after packaging you are distributed to farmer for the use of crops. Thank you guys. If you have any issues regarding this session, please write in comment box.